he was telling me about the snacks all the Filipinos has been giving them. I think one of his favorite would be Napoleones now. So if you guys want to give them Napoleones, I think they will finish it. Aside from that, I think he's sharing about the qualifying stuff, the number of sets they need to qualify, so they're really happy. They were kind of disappointed with the result, but he was telling me that they need to practice more for and rest for the Olympics. So, yeah. I don't know.
How did it feel naman talking to him?
Well, it feels great. You know, I think one of the most recognized volleyball players also right now would be one of the best setters. I'm getting goosebumps and overwhelmed by that factor. They recognize also Filipino volleyball players. So, salamat. So we'll be supporting all of them in the Fatman.